Hello all, I welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to create a complete WordPress website just like this with a proper home page, then showcasing your projects, then your creative process, and also embedding a video that you can play. Then building brand equity through designs, then your all social media icons, then also your about page, narrating all of your workx, then when you are not working, what you are doing, so that traveling gallery images, your design philosophy, then project page where you are showcasing all of your projects that you have created along with Q&A as well, just like this. And you can toggle to all different projects that you have created from this button. Then service page, showcasing all different services that you are giving for your customers. Then also embedding a video, and finally contact page as well. And this website is also responsive, and this is how it's going to look on our phone. You can see the about page. We have a button of this scroll to top over here, so on clicking that it's going to scroll you to top. You can switch between pages from here, so you can switch to projects. So this is how it's going to look on your phone, and this is how it's going to look on your tablet. So I'm going to build this entire website in about a couple of hours. So do watch this video till the end. I am sure you are going to learn a lot of new things if you are watching these videos. And if you are facing any issues in middle, you can always ask me on comment sections. I'm always there to help you. So let's dive into our video. So first you need to go to your favorite browser and to type over here Xampp download. So that will show you this apachefriends.org. So just simply go to their official site and here download the latest version of Xampp, that is version 8.2.12 at the time of making of this video. So your download will start automatically. If it doesn't, then you can click on here, but you can see that our Xampp is rightly started downloading. So let it download Xampp. Next thing that you will need is WordPress. So just simply type WordPress download. So that's going to show you this wordpress.org site. Just go there. So this link I'm going to provide right in our channel description. So download WordPress 6.8.3. So just simply click on this download button and immediately your WordPress will also be rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, so that's why I'm going to cancel this. I minimize my browser. I'll close these two tabs first and I'll open my download directory, and here you can see both WordPress and Xampp are already been downloaded over here. So just simply double click on that installer. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. We'll come to Xampp. Click on OK. Let's click on next. Next. So this is where our Xampp is going to be installed. So our language will be English. Totally fine. Click on next. Ready to be installed, click on next, and our installation for Xampp is rightly began. So it's going to take some time to install Xampp. by the time our XAMPP get installed. Next step that you need to do is to extract WordPress. So that is WordPress 6.8.3 at the time of making of this video. So you need to first download it as I showed you from the site, and then you need to right click and then you need to do extract all and click on extract. When you click on that, it's going to immediately start extracting. I have already done extracting WordPress. So you can see this WordPress 6.8.3 is already extracted over here. So when you go inside, you will get WordPress folder over here. So when you double click on it, you will get all files and folders over here. So that is what we need to put on our XAMPP folder. I'm going to show you that, but before that, XAMPP need to be installed. So let's wait for a few more minutes to let our XAMPP get installed, and after that I'm going to again come back to this video. So welcome back. So now you can clearly see that our XAMPP is rightly installed. Also, do you want to start control panel? Rightly checked, click on finish. That's going to launch our XAMPP control panel over here. XAMPP control panel rightly open, click on start for the Apache, and you need to also click on start for MySQL as well. So you can see both these two, Apache and MySQL, are rightly started. Everything is properly up and running, no issues. And after that, you need to click on this admin button for MySQL. So that's going to redirect to your browser by opening this localhost /php myadmin. Here you need to just simply click on new and need to give your database name. So let's give the database name as WordPress and click on create. So WordPress is already created. And after that, you can safely close this tab. And now you need to minimize your browser. You can minimize your XAMPP control panel as well. Remember, we have downloaded WordPress and then extracted it. So this folder which has this WordPress folder, so you need to right click and you need to cut that folder and to go to your C drive, and you will get a XAMPP folder over here. So go inside that XAMPP folder, then you will see a htdocs folder over here. See where it is? Here it is, htdocs folder. So you need to go inside that, right click and paste that WordPress folder over here, which has all these files. So you need to paste it right over here. Then you can close this as well. So you just go to your browser again and type localhost /WordPress. That's it, hit enter. So that's going to open this config file over here. So here to select your language, I'm going to proceed with English. Then click on continue. So welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you need to do these following things. Don't need to worry, everything I'm going to show you. Just simply click on this, let's go. Here to provide your database name. Remember, we just now created a database, so you need to provide that database name over here, WordPress. And after that username, you need to type root. So that is the username of XAMPP. So you need to type root and you need to keep this password field blank. Remember, do not put anything in the password field, only put root on the username. That's it. Click on submit. So alright, Sparky, let's install our WordPress. So click on run the installation and it's going to show you this page first. So here first it will tell you what is your site title name. So we are making a portfolio website and that is for Anita. So I'll give the site title name as Anita Malhotra. I need to provide a username. So let's give the username as a root. I'll repeat that same thing as a password. I know it is a weak password, but we are going to only use it locally on my system, so it's totally fine, no need to worry. Just confirm uses of this weak password and just simply click on install. Okay, it is telling we need to provide an email address, so let's give something on our email address. So I'll just give a dummy email address as this is all locally on my system. So example.gmail.com. Everything is fine. Confirmation of users of a weak password and click on install WordPress. So immediately we are going to see that our WordPress getting installed over here. So success. You can save this password and all. No need to worry. Just log in. Everything is fine. Remember me, log in. And there you go. So welcome to WordPress. So we are now in WordPress dashboard and we are using version 6.8.3 at the time of making of this video. But you don't need to worry, everything and will be pretty much same even though you are in much later version of WordPress. So nothing to worry about. So let's build the website now. So first we need to go to appearance and go to theme. We need to install a theme called Astra. So you can click on this add theme button and you can just simply search Astra, or it is also visible over here. You can always check all other different themes. Like previously I have already made video about Cadence, Ocean WP, then Blocksy. So you'll get all these videos already on our channel. I'm sure you're going to love them, so do watch those videos. Alright, so in this video I'm going to talk about Astra with Elementor. So I'm going to click on install for this theme. You can see it is rightly started installing. And there you go, it is rightly installed. You can activate this now. And there you go, you can see everything is rightly done. So now if you just simply go to this Anita Malhotra and visit site, I'll open it in a new tab. You can see already you have something. So it has a logo that is Anita Malhotra, then a blogging page as well. So if you click on this, it's going to show you this blogging, that hello world, a blogging post, right? But we don't have much on our home page. Just just a post, nothing else. So let's do something. So let's first install Elementor. So go to plugins and click on add plugin. That's going to show you this page. Here I need to search Elementor. So here is our Elementor. Just simply click on install. That's going to immediately start installing Elementor. It might take some time, no need to worry. Okay, it just depend upon your internet speed, so that's why it is taking a bit time, but nothing to worry. And there you go, you can see it is directly done. Click on activate. So it is rightly activated. Now next thing that you need to do is you'll be seeing this message coming over here. So thank you for choosing Astra, and you will have a button called start building now. So let's click on that. So that means by clicking start building now, you agree to install and activate starter templates plugin. So now we are installing the starter templates plugin, and then I'm going to show you how you can import already a website and how you can modify that. So exciting things are coming up. Just keep watching this video. So starter template are directly open. Next, how you'd like to build your website. So whether you'd like to use some AI website builder, or you'd like to start with classic starter templates. So again, on my previous videos I have showed you how to build using AI website builder. It's really amazing. This time I'm going to show you about this classic starter templates. So click on build with templates. You have to select a page builder. Again, we have install Elementor, so you're going to select that. That's going to start syncing templates library. So it's almost done. And it is tightly done. So all these templates are available, especially the one which do not has any tag, but this one has having a tag of premium, so it is a premium, you need to purchase it. But you can totally use templates which do not have any tag, so those are free ones. Alright, so if you click on this drop down, you see one is all, another is premium. So all these premium ones are paid one, whereas you can totally use for completely free these free ones. Alright, so you can see we have all these different templates, right? All are amazing one. So you can always check all this out yourself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to filter it by personal sites. So as soon as you do that, it's going to filter it, and you can see again a lot of things are available on personal sites, isn't it? You can see that. So from here I'm going to select a free one. Again, we don't need to pay anything, it will be free. So what we need to we'll be selecting is this website portfolio theme. So if you click on that, you can see these templates coming over here, isn't it? So it has all home page, about page, project, service and all. We are definitely going to customize it as per our requirement. This is made for someone else like Wilson Brook. I'm going to make it for Anita. So we are going to definitely customizing it, but this is the basic layout what it will be once we import it. You can select from this color palette. So all these different colors are available. So if it is green, it is like this. If you select this, it will be like this. To select this, it will be again like this. So these are again all totally your wish. All right, you can select anything you want. I'm going to proceed with the black one. I really like this black background, and on top of that we can put a nice picture of our client, and we can proceed with editing, right? So I'll proceed with this black. That will be rightly suited for this transparent background picture of our client. So I'll proceed with the green one, and I'm going to click on continue. Here again, it totally your wish which one you want to proceed with. I'm going to select e-commerce, website, email and HTMP and live, free live chat as well. So I'm going to select all of that plugins that will be installed and click on continue. Here to tell a bit about yourself, so let's give your name. I'll provide geek. I am a, let's say, intermediate this time. You are building website for time now, right? You might not be expert and you are not a beginner. Now you are watching my video, so you must have been learned a bit. So now you're no longer a beginner. You can tell you are as an intermediate. So let's proceed with that. I'm building it for myself or my company or my client. I'll proceed with myself, as anyway I'm going to hand over this to my client. So we can go with that. Just accept it and click on submit and build my website. So that's going to start installing and going to import that entire site that I have just now showed you onto your website. Definitely we are going to modify that and all those stuff we are going to do, but for now we need to wait for a bit to let it importing our website. So right now it's just 7% done. It's going to take some more time, so let's wait for some time over here. Meanwhile, you can always watch our complete WordPress tutorial using Astra and Elementor. So here you can see I have created a lot of videos. So some of these videos are 1 hour, 1 hour 30-minute video, some are in series. So to watch all these videos, you will be able to know how to create a free e-commerce website or how to create a complete WordPress website. That time I have built a gym fitness website. So to watch these videos, you might not be running a gym company, but still you'll be able to learn a lot of new things that are going to help you to build your very own website. So you need to learn those stuff, by watching these videos. So do check them out. I'm sure you're going to love them. And also if you're interested on Python, then you can always watch this cool Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free. And I have really built some cool projects. So like how to build a rock paper scissors game, or how to convert a .py file into a exe, or how to remove a background, or how to create video and QR code. And that to a professional one with a logo right on the center. So do check out all these videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. And there you go. So you can see finally it is rightly done. So during this time it might be throwing you some error, but you don't need to worry. You can see it showed me this type of error a couple of times, but eventually it will be done. So just have patience and keep on doing it. Alright, just simply click on view your website. So that's going to open a new tab, and you're already going to see your website will have full of contents. So Wilson broke website is rightly imported over here. So this is what we are going to customize it. Alright, as per our need. So just simply click on finish website, finish setup. So everything is rightly done. You can also view your website by just simply hovering over this Anita Malhotra and click on visit site. That's going to also open your website over here. And to navigate your WordPress dashboard, just simply type over here wp-admin and just simply hit enter. That's going to move you to your WordPress dashboard page.